In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Taobao promo code 2025, step by step. If you're looking to save more on Taobao, this guide will walk you through exactly where to find promo codes and how to apply them so you see the discount before you pay. Start by going to taobao.com and logging in. If you don't have an account yet, you can register using your phone number or email. Make sure your region and language settings match where you shop, since some vouchers are region specific. Next, head to the Taobao homepage to spot active promotions. Taobao regularly features flash sales, discount banners, and voucher events right on the home screen. When you see a banner that interests you, tap it to view details and claim the coupon. Always check the terms like minimum spend, eligible categories, and the validity period, so you're not surprised at checkout. When you found an item you like, open the product page and scroll to the section labeled Store Coupons or Seller Vouchers. Tap Collect or Claim Coupon to add them to your account. These are usually limited to that specific store, but the good news is they can sometimes stack with platform-wide coupons for extra savings. If you're comparing similar products, collecting coupons from each store helps you decide where the final price comes out lowest. Inside the Taobao app, search for Coupon Center to find a dedicated area for platform vouchers. Browse categories, claim anything relevant, and keep an eye on countdowns because many of these discounts are time limited or quantity limited. Refreshing this section during busy shopping periods can surface new offers. Big sale events are where the largest promo codes show up. Look out for 11.11 Singles Day, the 12/12 sale, mid-year promotions, and Chinese New Year deals. During these events, Taobao releases special coupons and bundle discounts that can significantly cut your total. Add items to your cart ahead of time so you can apply vouchers quickly when the event starts. For ongoing savings, follow your favorite stores and join their membership or loyalty programs. Many sellers send exclusive coupons to followers or members, and you'll often get early access to price drops or limited codes. You can also check third-party coupon sites, but treat them as optional. Only use trustworthy sources and avoid any site that asks for personal information or payment to reveal a code. When in doubt, verify a code by testing it in Taobao. Finally, apply your savings at checkout. Add items to your cart, proceed to pay, select the available coupons, or enter a promo code manually. Confirm that the discount appears in your order summary before you complete payment, and you're done.